Hello, welcome to Blue Bike and Doyle channel with another episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed. Yesterday it was hot and sunny, today it's cold and rainy. Yep. Run an intro. So what we're doing today is we're doing some arts and crafts stuff. We're going to use this and make a speaker pod out of it. Let's get started. I already started. Come see where I'm at. Well, here where we at. It don't matter what color felt you had. I had some of this left over. I thought I had enough to do both, but I didn't. I didn't. And so that's last week you see me make this, so you don't need. I went back and burned through about 4 belt sander blades, but whatever you want to call pads. Oh, I guess I didn't throw them away. Anyway, yeah. So they was old and wasn't used very much, I guess. I don't know. So I got this. We got this. This is going to go from one side to the other, so it really doesn't matter which side. See, so when you get it on the other side, it's going to be the same way. Other door will be upside down. Will it? No, it still be. I might have just screwed up. It should be, because when you put it on the other side, the door goes this way. Great. Take that off. Yep. Pretty much I just made a carbon copy of this side because I was thinking no matter what, when I take the other door panel off, it's going to look like this, which it's not. But anyway, you ain't going to notice. Nobody will never know. How they going to know? How they going to know? Because I'll put it on this way. The speaker, this bit. Anyway. Oh well, we'll let them figure it out. Alright, first step I did is I just cut me off some pieces I need. So, we'll put this somewhere. Yep. Now I need my staple gun. Not the base staple gun, but it'll work. It'll work. So let's, try to pull it. And put some staples on the edges. Staples on that side. And then you just come back and you want to kind of pull the fabric. Good talk. Good talk. So you get the gist of it, don't you? So let me finish this out. About that time of year. I'm using this as a fiberglass sheet. Fiberglass cloth. Really, it's just cloth fiberglass. Because the resin is the glass, right? So lucky for me, my wife's a hoarder and she don't never, well, it's a southern tradition that this is your food saving device. So we get, you know, So when you go to open the refrigerator in a southern home and you see a bunch of Cool Whip or mostly butter bowls, you know, blue bonnet or something. Oh, it's in the blue bonnet bowl. You might get butter, you might get leftovers. You never know. You need that and that. The hardest part about this is getting the mixture right on the thing, because you ain't gonna take but a couple of drops of resin. And this is the Fondo fiberglass red and waterproof foamer, and for repairing, resurfacing, and rebuilding metal, wood, fiberglass of masonry structures. Stage 2. Stage 1 is the prep, 2 is the filler, 3 is the paint, and 4 is the finish. Well, this is step 2. That's what it says right there. I don't know how long I've had this. Not too well, probably a year, 2 years. Let me get me find a pliers, channel locks, and we'll open this up. There it goes. Isn't that tight? And you're gonna want to work. Whew, this thing's gonna get high in small batches. That's good for a small batch. As soon as I put that back on, I need right there. I'm gonna clean that stuff off so it won't be so hard to get off next time. Here's the tricky part. This is your resin. So you see, I mean, this is the hardener. So just a couple of drops will do you. I put too little, I put too much, and time you put it, it hardens too quick. So there ain't no thing to pin it. Hey, got our mixing tool. Yeah, we're gonna take it. Probably too much. Probably is. I'm gonna mix it up. Time that hardener hits, it's gonna start heating up. The chemical, whatever. Mailman. So I already pre-cut some strips, and all you're gonna do is take your little resins and do that. That's gonna stiffen up that stuff. The fleece line. Really, the fleece is just like the fiberglass cloth, because all you're doing is wanting the stuff to give it something to stick to. And I probably put too much in it because it feels like it's already we need this all because I'm getting high. I just want it stiff. This is my first time using. It's always a first for something. Fleece. Sometimes I just put the sheet over it if it's not too big, and it worked out pretty good. I have made speaker boxes like that. So I don't know if I used enough or not. Well, that's not bad. You get the gist of it. So I gotta do the other one, and just the same step over. Pouring, mixing, and ooh, it's stinking in here. Do it in a well ventilated place. I laid my glass on now, and I'm gonna cover the glass with the resin one more time, maybe 2 more coats of resin. I don't know yet, but that's where we at. And please do it outside. This is my mistake doing inside, because it's a lot louder and smellier than I thought it would be. That's okay. I'm Mr. Know-It-All, and yeah, be careful where you touch. Hey, that's all I'm gonna do today. And but yeah, I got it pretty much. I know it don't look pretty. You ain't gonna see it. All you gonna see is it covered in white vinyl, and it'll be done. And just gotta let it set up. You shouldn't be touching this with bare fingers, but I am. I want to smooth it out. It's just not gonna hurt you too bad till you start yeah, woo, till you start touching the fiberglass. That's when you get the glass, when the fiber starts turning into shards. Well, that's pretty much all you want to do now, is sit back and let it dry overnight, let it cure up. Then we'll just put some padding around it and wrap it in vinyl and send it on down the road, right? We got a lot more to do. Anyway, to the POS 10. Go check out that video there, Mr. McStache. You know, his 22 states in 22 days. I'll try to promote them as much as I can. That's about the only way I can help out. And check out that video there. And hit my subscribe button over here. And I'm gonna go get me something for a headache. Whew, I'm done with the jerky. Later.